Morning everyone. This is turning out to be a weekly thing, this now. In this week's episode, we're not actually at a speedy location today. We are all the way up into Teesside for a company named Solmec. We are today delivering the one-day emergency first aid at work course, which is one of 3 available courses that are out there that we deliver. We've got the one-day course, which is today. You've then got the 3-day first aiders course, so there is a difference between the one-day emergency and a first aiders course. And then you have a 2-day refresher course, and that's for physical first aid. For mental health first aid, you've then got mental health first aid England courses that are available. So we have the half-day awareness and the 2-day first aiders course, which, to be honest, the last couple of times I've delivered via like Teams and Zoom and stuff like that. So I have a greater reach when I'm able to do that, because it's quite hard to get everybody together, especially when your company's nationwide. So yeah, we're in Teesside. Stayed in a Holiday Inn last night because we are quite a way away from my normal home, which is Warrington. So yeah, we'll get there, we'll get set up, and we'll see what is what. For those that are watching, when was the last time you did a first aid training course? And can you remember, and this is something to put in the comments down below, because I want to get the best out of this yammer, because it's basically like Facebook for Speedy. Can you remember what the primary survey is and stands for? And we use the acronym Dr. ABC to remember it. So DR ABC, which is the primary survey for first aid. Without Googling it, try and test yourselves and drop it down in the comments down below, and I'll catch you in a bit. I deal with Speedy external customer base, so someone will have to ring you, or you can ring us and say, right, I need this with regards to qualification. They'll go swim. Everyone's like, all I've got to do now is control that elbow, push down on this knee, his hip comes up, keep pushing, his hip follows, and he's now over in that position. Whenever you get a triangular bandage, this is the best recommendation, because otherwise I'll get confused as well. Okay, this here points to the injured elbow. The long bit goes over the good shoulder. You can also do is a thing called twist and tuck, which is where you get any slack, you twist it, and then when it gets enough tension there, you tuck it inwards, and then that should be enough for it to support it. That is it. There you go, supporting it. You want that there, you want your hand over the top of it, so it's like a bear hug in and up. There you go. But all you're going to do now is you're going to go around keeping it as tight as you physically can get it, keeping control. Alright, what you don't want to do is let go of this bandage. Because why? It'll unravel, it becomes a nightmare, and then it just, everything just gets harder.
Shock advised. Do not touch the patient. Shock will be delivered in 3, 2, 1. Shock delivered.
Having a look inside, teeth are where they should be, tongues where it should be, there's no extra foreign dirt, debris or anything like that. If it's more than one new thing, as cheesy as the saying is, every day is a school day. Okay. Any cups and rubbish and that, please take it away, because it was clean inside in here. I'll pack up and then I'll get out of your hair.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Until next time.